Hello and welcome to WorkWise OnContact CRM training. This video is titled Getting Started Part 2 and covers adding new records to CRM 7, main page features, and toolbar options. Let's start by adding a new company record. Click on New in the navigation menu and then click Company to open the Add New Company page. Note the company name is required on this page. This is indicated by the red outline around the company name field. Fill in the information into that field and all of the other fields you wish to fill in for that company. Skipping down to the address area, note the zip code field and the search feature that's on that field that allows users to type in a zip code and have it autofill the city, county, country, state, and time zone for that zip code. The Details area, which is accessible by the menu item on the left-hand side, allows the user to assign a territory, source, and interest code. The Notes area is for general notes about the company. There is duplicate checking that is done automatically when the user clicks Save or Save and Close, or the user can initiate the duplicate checking manually by clicking Check for Duplicates. If there are any possible duplicates, CRM 7 will take the user directly to this duplicates page and display those possible duplicates here. For now, we'll click Save, which will open the company in a new company page, and then we'll add a contact to that company. The suggested method for doing this is to add the contact on the company main page rather than through the New Contact button on the navigation menu. If your business is contact-centric and you work mainly with individuals rather than companies, then feel free to use the new link on the navigation menu instead. If your business is more company-centric, then adding the contact at the company level will ensure the contact is correctly linked to the company and eliminate the extra step of having to do that manually. Click the New Contact button located just above the contact tree on the company main page. This will open the Add New Contact page where the appropriate information for the contact is filled in. The same left side menu items we saw when adding new companies are also available when adding new contacts. These items apply to the contact. So for example, the Notes area under the new contact allows the users to type in notes that will be then attached to that contact. Duplicate checking is also done for new contacts the same way it's done for new companies. Click Save and the contact will open in a contact main page where further editing can be done. Click Save and Close to return to the company main page where the contact will then appear in the contact tree for that company. Opportunities and incidents are also best added from either the company or contact main page. To add an opportunity on either page, hover your mouse pointer over the tab control and then click the Opportunities tab. Click the New button on that tab to open a new opportunity page. Note how the opportunity description defaults to company name plus the word opportunity. Feel free to change that if necessary and then fill in the rest of the information for the opportunity. Click Save and Close to return to the company main page where the opportunity will then appear in the Opportunity tab. To add an incident, hover your mouse pointer over the tab control and then click the Incidents tab. Click the New button on that tab to open a new incident page. Fill in the appropriate information for the incident, including a good description of the issue in the Incident's Notes field. CRM 7 will auto-generate a unique case number for each incident, which can be used to identify and search for support cases. Click Save and Close to return to the company main page, where the incident will then appear in the Incident tab. Next, let's explore company main pages in detail. Starting at the top, we find the Save and Delete buttons. Save will write any changes to the database. Delete actually deletes the record, so be careful with that button. It's usually better to set the status or flag the company as inactive. rather than deleting it. Add to Favorites adds the record to your favorites list. The large Tools button on the upper right has features that affect the company record. The smaller Tools button above the contact tree has features that affect a highlighted contact. To edit information in detail columns such as addresses, reps, and territories, hover your mouse pointer over the column you wish to edit, and a drop-down list of records will appear. To add new information to that column, click the plus button. To remove a record from the list, click the minus button. Some of the columns, such as addresses and email, allow editing of the existing information. To do this, click on the item you wish to modify, and it will open in an edit window. Finally, let's take a look at activities. To add a new activity, choose the Activities option from the tab control and click the New button. Activities are used to track interactions with your clients and are a very important component of any CRM system. Activities can be linked to companies, contacts, opportunities, incidents, or any combination of those. Activities can be scheduled for the current date and time and completed immediately, or scheduled for a future date and left open. An open activity is one that doesn't have a result. The Notes area toward the bottom is a rich text box and has no limit to what can be typed or pasted in. It's very important to keep accurate, detailed notes on every activity logged so that a usable history is kept and can be referred to if need be. In addition to the basic activity features, there are also items in the Tools menu. There you will find the option to send the activity to Outlook as an appointment, or to send the activity info via email. This concludes our Getting Started Part 2 video. Thank you very much for your attention. Feel free to contact us at any time with questions, issues, or suggestions via the chat feature built into CRM7 or by phone at 262-375-6540 or email, which is support@oncontact.com.